Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori 2 English class. Students, today we will write vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. So now we will write here vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. Again we will write here vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many vowels? 5 vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many vowels? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Now kids, it's your turn. Write vowels on your English copy. Allah Hafiz.